today marks a major milestone and an innovative and important project for RTI International. More importantly, it marks a major step in energy technology development efforts for the clean and efficient use of U.S. coal resources. For those of you not familiar with RTI, we are a 55-year-old independent nonprofit research institute headquartered in Research Triangle Park, North Carolina. Over 3,700 staff members are focused on solving complex scientific and societal challenges facing the world at RTI. Clean energy is one of those challenges. I'd also like to recognize, since we're recognizing board members, Peter Scott, who's the vice chair of our board, who's with us today, who's a retired energy executive. Today we're excited to see more than 20 years of research come to fruition. Let me tell you a little bit about the history of those 20 years. In the early 1990s, RTI scientists discovered the sulfur sorbent, which led to the development of the process technology in this facility. Since that time, our scientists studied the sorbent in thorough lab scale and bench scale testing at RTI, and more than 3,000 hours of pilot scale testing at Eastman Chemical Company's coal gasification facility in Kingsport, Tennessee. Then in 2010, with the support from the U.S. Department of Energy and Tampa Electric, we launched this full-scale demonstration project, which we'll have a chance to visit today. This demonstration project will allow us to finally begin to see the impacts of this technology doing what it was designed to do, produce cleaner energy from domestic fossil fuels. We strongly believe that the successful demonstration of this technology will pave the way for coal to be used in a much more environmentally clean way, while reducing the capital and operating costs of our nation's energy providers. As we all know, coal use is a major contributor to the global greenhouse gas emissions, and this technology holds promise to reduce these emissions in a meaningful manner. We wouldn't be here without the support and longstanding partnership of many people and organizations, the first of which I want to acknowledge is the U.S. Department of Energy's Fossil Energy Program. This project is a critical element of the DOE's effort to develop breakthrough technologies for the clean and efficient use of U.S. coal resources for the generation of electric power and the production of chemicals and fuels. I want to especially thank Secretary Friedman and his team, Jared Safarno, Jenny Tennant, and David Lyons, present here in the audience, for their financial support and true technology partnership to make this project a reality. Next, as you would expect, I am particularly proud of our RTI team. Aside from developing and testing this technology for the past 20 years, our scientists were integral in making this large-scale demonstration project a success. Our team managed this first-of-a-kind technology project from engineering design to construction to commissioning to startup and now operations, all on a tight project schedule while working at a fully operational utility plant with a stellar safety record. Additionally, the engineering, procurement, and construction work was completed ahead of schedule with about a $3 million cost underrun, which is unheard of in this industry. Please help me recognize and thank our talented RTI team members who are here today. Let me start with a special thank you to Dr. Raghuveer Gupta, who began the RTI's research in clean coal nearly 25 years ago, leads our energy technology division today, and has been instrumental in seeing this technology from inception to installation. Now I'd like to thank other members of the team who were critical to the planning and construction of this 50 megawatt demonstration plant. Ben Gardner, Brian Turk, David Denton. We couldn't have done this without you. And of course, thank you to Jim Gibson, the head of our Discovery Science and Technology Business Unit, which houses our energy division. Thank you all. Yeah. I want to equally thank our long-term partnership with Tampa Electric, without whom we wouldn't be standing here today. Tampa Electric agreed to host this project, knowing all the risks that come with scaling up a new technology, and we couldn't thank them enough for being willing to take those risks. I believe they will pay off. The engineering, procurement, and construction work was skillfully executed by AMEC with no safety, quality, cost, or schedule issues. I want to recognize the AMEC team members who worked very diligently with RTI and TECO to execute this challenging task. We look forward to celebrating the technology's success and expanding its use to truly meet the global needs for clean and efficient use of coal.